Hey guys, Chet here. If you have been exploring lead generation tools, then you've probably seen ZoomInfo pop up more than once. It's designed to give sales and marketing teams access to real-time data, helping them find qualified leads and reach decision makers faster. In this video, I'll break down everything that you need to know about ZoomInfo, its features, strengths, weaknesses, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what ZoomInfo actually is. ZoomInfo is a B2B data platform that helps companies identify, connect with, and convert potential customers. It offers access to a massive database of company and contact information, which sales, marketing, and recruitment teams can use to build targeted lists, run campaigns, and even track engagement across every stage of the sales funnel. Now let's talk about features. ZoomInfo gives you detailed profiles of companies and contacts, including job titles, email addresses, direct phone numbers, and even technographic and intent data. The platform also includes tools for email automation, lead scoring, pipeline management, and conversation tracking. Plus, it offers real-time updates, which means that you're working with the freshest data available. For recruiters, ZoomInfo Talent helps locate candidates who match specific job roles, while marketers can use ZoomInfo's intent data to find prospects actively researching products in their space. Now, one of the biggest strengths of ZoomInfo is its data accuracy and volume. The platform claims to verify and refresh data continuously, which makes it incredibly useful for outbound teams who rely on precise targeting. It's also packed with enrichment and workflow tools so that teams can automate lead generation and really focus on what matters, closing those deals. You can integrate ZoomInfo with CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot to keep your contacts and workflows in sync. Now, all that said, ZoomInfo isn't perfect. One common drawback is the learning curve. It is a very powerful tool, but that's a lot to set up and manage, especially for smaller teams. Also, pricing isn't listed openly on the website, and many users have reported that the costs can get very high, especially when adding multiple modules or users. Another point to consider is that while data quality is generally strong, occasional outdated or inaccurate entries still exist. Furthermore, ZoomInfo's credit system for contact downloads may not be ideal for all users. Some teams may find themselves running out of credits faster than expected, especially during large-scale prospecting. And if you're in a niche industry or targeting a very specific audience, you may need to double check that the platform has the depth that you're looking for with regard to data. Now, pricing we spoke about a moment ago. Unfortunately, ZoomInfo doesn't publicly share pricing on its site. Instead, it offers custom quotes based on the number of users, tools needed, and whether you're focusing on sales, marketing, or talent solutions. To get a price, you'll need to enter your business email and go through a demo or consultation with their team. So overall, ZoomInfo is a powerful platform for sales and marketing teams that need rich, accurate B2B data and automation tools to support outreach. It's not the cheapest option out there, but if your business depends on reaching the right people at the right time, it's definitely worth considering. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.